Hi everybody. Today I'm going to explain how easy it is to create custom erosion parameters using the Anchor EDG machine. Here, I've already set 3 passes, an extra rough, a semi-finishing, and an ultra-fine finishing. If I was trialing a new and maybe exotic material, I may want to change some of the generator parameters. Here, in pass 1, I've already selected extra rough, but I may want to change some of the parameters that are grayed out below here. To do that, I simply click on the drop-down menu and go up to the custom field. You'll notice that all of the roughing parameters have remained the same, but now I'm able to change different parameters. Generally, when we're trialing exotic materials, we might want to change the time off. It's as simple as changing it from 5 to 7. Changes like this when using and trialing exotic materials help to stabilize the erosion process. Once I've finished, I can click OK. And when I go back into the erosion tab, these parameters have been saved for me for next time.